currently in an Excel suite, and I'm going to give you the full review of this room so you can see what it's all about. Let's go! Many reviews and many videos on the Mardi Gras. Remember, we are a full-fledged travel agency and we specialize in group cruises and group trips, and we'd love to help you out with that. I had a great time on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It was a beautiful new ship, and I was blessed to stay in the Carnival Excel Suite, room 12212. The one thing you'll notice as soon as you walk in, there's a thermostat, and they also have a little card in there for you, so you don't have to go through putting your Vegas Platinum card in there to keep the lights on. They actually do that for you. In the suites, they do offer you water bottles, which are there free of charge. 2 of them, I believe. These binoculars were fantastic, looking out into the ocean and just kind of seeing what's out there, always looking for dolphins and whales and things of that nature. There was a mini bar and drawers there in the room. Also, the TV was great. They had a lot of on-demand videos that were free of charge, and some you could pay for, but it was pretty good. Now, this is one of their largest rooms, and what I love about it, obviously, is this wraparound balcony, which was spectacular. I had a fantastic time on this balcony. Even the rocking chair here was a very nice touch. And the lounger with a see-through water view. Very nice touch, very thoughtful. There was tons of storage here in this room, not only closet space with hangers and drawers that pulled out. Also, there was lots of room underneath the bed and just little nooks and crannies that had some space for lots of things. I mean, you can spend a week there with a family and still have a lot of room to store your things. The headboard was nice, a very upscale touch. You know, I love that large television too. Oh, it was beautiful. Lots of inputs and outputs for your electronics and charging. Another nice thing here is there was a balcony door right off the bedroom that you can exit out to as well. As you can see, it did come with the 2 robes and slippers, I believe. Maybe not slippers, but it did come with 2 robes. And again, another full closet here in the bedroom with lots of storage space. A safe for your personal and expensive items as well. And the bathroom was, I don't know, do they call it a Jack and Jill? But it's one of those ones where you can come in and out of the bedroom and the living room. Very nice. This was a spa shower that actually had 4 or 5 different spray valves there that could get you nice and slippery and soapy and wet, which was fantastic. There was a couple of issues with it, which I'll go into detail in just a moment. Now, I love that they give you the shampoo and the soap and all of that, but those extra jets there, whenever you turn those jets on with the rain shower head, it would literally flood the room. There was just no way around it. So hey lovers, one of the things that really does set this room apart, speaking of the Carnival Excel suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras, is the balcony. I love the wraparound balcony, but all of these suites are actually at the front of the ship. Now, that doesn't bother me at all, but one thing to be aware of is this. It is so windy at the front of the ship that it does make for a difficult time outside, at least as fast as we're going right now. Now in dock, it shouldn't matter too much. Right now, you can see that it is quite windy. Just watch as I try to open my cabinet door. So for me, this is not a huge deal because I love the sound of the ocean and the waves in the background and the wind on my face. But if that is something that bothers you, that's one thing to consider as you're considering this Excel suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras. But I love this room. I absolutely love this room. Now, the door itself here was a little bit weird. You know, you had to twist this knob to get it to open and unlock, but it was weird because my hands are a little big and it was just weird getting my hands in there. The other issue here is that the door was rocking all night long. I mean, it was bad. It would wake me up in the middle of the night to the point that I actually had to put towels in the door to get it to stop rocking. And this was no matter where we were in port or, how far out we were at sea. And you can see here with the towels on the floor that there was definitely that flooding I talked about. But all in all, I love this room. It was beautiful. I really had a great time in it. The Mardi Gras is a bad mofo ship. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So if you haven't had a chance to go on the Mardi Gras, we actually have a group trip coming up in September, and final payment's not due until this June, so you still have time to get your room. We're gonna have a blast. I'm gonna drop right here the promo for that group trip coming up. And that's it for this episode of Love on Tour. Remember, it's love above all and love will travel. This is PDH, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.